Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to print your Google Sheets documents just the way you want them with custom margins and page breaks. Whether you need a polished report for a meeting or you just want your spreadsheets to fit perfectly on a page, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to make your printouts look crisp, clear, and totally custom. Let's jump right in. To start, you'll want to open up the Google Sheets file you want to print. Once you have it open, go up to the File menu at the top left of your screen and select Print. You can also use that classic shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P if you're on a Mac. This is going to pull up the print preview and all the related options we're going to work with. Now let's talk about the Print Setup panel, which you'll find on the right side of your screen. This is your command center for everything print-related in Google Sheets. The first option is what exactly you want to print. Do you want to print your entire workbook, just the current sheet you're viewing, or maybe you only want to print a specific section of cells you've highlighted? Make sure to choose the right option, because printing a massive workbook when you only needed one column can be a real paper waster. Next, you'll choose your paper size. For most people in the US, letter is the default, but if you're in Europe or other regions, you might be using A4 or another size. Pick whatever matches the paper actually loaded in your printer or the format you need for a PDF. Under that, you'll find the layout setting, either portrait or landscape. Portrait is great for lists and columns, while landscape gives you a wider canvas, perfect for spreadsheets with lots of columns running left to right. For example, if you're printing a budget with several categories, landscape can often fit more of it on each page. Scaling is another key step. Sometimes your sheet just doesn't neatly fit on a single page, especially if it's a bit wide. Here, fit to page or fit to width can shrink or stretch your content so it isn't cut off. You can even set a custom scale percentage if you want more control. If your table feels even a bit squished, don't worry, you can adjust later. Now let's get into setting custom margins. Margins are those blank spaces around the edge of your printed page. They might seem small, but they can really change the look and readability of your prints. Scroll down in the Print Settings sidebar until you find the Margins section. You'll click on the dropdown and select Custom Numbers here, where you get to set the exact amount of space top, bottom, left, and right. Maybe you want extra room on the left for hole punching into a binder, or just prefer a more spacious look all around. Type your values in either inches or centimeters, and Google Sheets will update the preview so you can see the changes in real time. Alright, once your margins are dialed in, move down to the bottom of the print preview and find the Set Custom Page Breaks button. This is a super handy tool, especially for bigger sheets. When you click it, blue dotted lines will appear over your sheet. These lines show where each printed page will start and end. If you want that big table to begin on a new sheet, or you need a title to always start at the top, just drag these lines horizontally or vertically to where you need them. You can take your time here. It's worth making sure each page prints just the way you want. When you're happy with the setup, hit Confirm Breaks. Almost there, head up to the top right and click the Next button. Now you get to choose whether you want to send the document straight to a printer or save it as a PDF file for emailing or sharing. Make your choice, click Print or Save, and you're done. And that's it. Now you know how to take full control of your Google Sheets printouts with custom margins and perfectly placed page breaks. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Sheets tip you'd like me to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy printing.